Hi guys, I'm Temi and it's Magenta. Today guys, I'm going to give you an introduction to coding. I'm very sure you guys watching this video really love coding. OMG, like me and coding, we are like seriously, we are like shoes and socks. Now, before you start coding, there are some major factors you need to consider. There are 4 of them. You need to consider, ask yourself, why do you want to code? What language to learn? Where to learn it? And what editor to use. There are different reasons why you need to learn how to code. Like, you might want to learn how to code because you want to become an app creator, a website creator, a software developer, a software engineer, a computer scientist, an app developer, and so on like that. Now, the second factor is the language to learn. There are 3 major, we have up to a lot of coding language, like we have hundreds of them, and the 3 major ones you need to learn are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now HTML, like hypertext markup language, it is used to provide the content of the web page and used to provide the basic structure of web pages, and it's modified by CSS and JavaScript. Now my advice for you guys is that you guys need to learn HTML first, not because I love it, but for sure, who doesn't love HTML? But seriously, HTML is the best for you guys to learn first. CSS, cascading styling sheet, it is used to provide the presentation, formatting and layout of a web page, like the background color, the background image, and so on like that. JavaScript is used for the behavior of other web pages elements, and it can also be used to create games and other applications. The third factor is where to learn it. You can learn HTML and JavaScript with CSS by watching videos. Now guys, before I forget, I'll start dropping HTML videos and coding videos. Coding videos for you to learn, so you can watch it on my channel, or you can use apps like SoloLearn and w3school.org. Now guys, what editor to use? We have lots and lots of editors to use, but to enjoy coding and have better experience of coding, I'll just drop 3 best coding apps for both phones and laptops. Now for laptops, we have the Visual Studio Code made by Microsoft, the Atom made by GitHub, and Sublime Text 3. But for phones, we have the Turbo Editor, Droid Edit, and Handwriter. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my video, but please can you do me a favor? Just slap the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share to other people who need videos like this. Thanks for watching.
Hey, let go.